So today we are simply going to be fixing Ergo Josh's art. So do well to stick around till the end of the video. Thank you. Hi guys, this is Dayo again with another video. So just in case you don't know Ergo Josh is a Nigerian digital artist, illustrator, and also a designer. He's also a YouTuber who is having a channel on YouTube where he teaches art and also give advice to beginners on how to go about with their art journey. He's also on Instagram. I'll be dropping a link in the description box, so you can go check out his Instagram page and also his YouTube channel. So today we are not going to be fixing his art. Instead, we're going to be drawing him. Where I'm going to be doing a fan art for Ergo Josh. Before then, I'm not going to be using my initial style. I'm not going to be using my normal realistic type of shading, soft type of realistic kind of shading. I'm not going to be doing it. Instead, I'm going to be doing a hard kind of shading. We are going to be incorporating some elements on the arcane character to this particular painting. So if you're interested, you can stick right to the end of this video. I'm just going to be showing you the process of this.